Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today let's learn to create a snake game using ChatGPT. So our game will be based on HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So guys, are you ready? If so, let's get started. Simply open the ChatGPT and in search bar write a code for snake game using HTML, CSS and JavaScript with separate and press enter. So based on the instruction given, ChatGPT will start writing the code. So let's wait for some time until ChatGPT generates the final code for snake game using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Finally, ChatGPT has generated the code successfully. So let's copy the code from ChatGPT. So at first we'll copy the code for index.html. So guys, I have already created the file index.html, script.js and style.css. So let me paste the index file in index.html. Now let's copy the CSS code from ChatGPT and paste in a file called style.css. And finally we have a JavaScript code. Here it is. So let's copy the JavaScript code and paste inside a file called script.js. So we have a number of code for JavaScript. So this is the first section followed by the second section here. So we'll copy the second section code from here and paste within the file script.js. So I think we have copied all the code. Okay, finally guys, we have updated the script for index.html, script.js and style.js. So now let's execute the file. So we have three different files: index.html, script.js and style.css. So let's execute index.html and let's check the game. Wow, we have finally designed the snake game using ChatGPT, where we have used the concept of HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So look at here, we have designed using the three different level, like it's the easy, average and hard. So now we have selected the easy, and now let's test this game which is developed by ChatGPT. So let's play. Okay, so it's working. So let me play this game. Oh, it's very fast. Just oh no, again let me meet that point. Okay, sorry, I'm unable to. Okay, we have done with. Okay, I have scored the 10, 20, 30. Oh, it's working fine. Correct. Oh, sorry, so I have scored 30. So again, let's again play this game and check its functionality, its movement. Okay, it's working. Okay, it's detecting the collision as well. So finally again let me test this application. Okay, the score is also updating. Move upward, move left, down, up. Okay, the score is also updating. It's working fine. So it's interesting, right? So finally, without coding ourselves, we have finally designed the game which is based on HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So it's the interesting game, right? So actually this is the magic. Wow, so actually this is the magic of ChatGPT. So we have not even made a single code of line by ourselves, but with the help of ChatGPT here. So using this code, we have finally designed the game called snake game.